I'm Jason Stanhope. We're at Fig Restaurant in Charleston, South Carolina, where I've been cooking for 15 years now. Fig has always been hyper-local, hyper-seasonal, and it's only gotten better over the years. We've been open for 20 years now. Our biggest goal is to buy things that inspire us and then scramble to get them on the menu in their prime, and to support people that are doing good things in the area. We don't come up with an idea and find the product. We find the product and let that inspire the idea. Today we're going to cook grilled okra, and we're going to pair that with this gorgonzola dressing. First thing is buying the best okra you can. This is big beautiful okra from Nat Bradford. We know Nat Bradford has great okra, but when he's in the field, the way he tests his okra is he just kind of snaps the tip. And so this would be considered a woody piece of okra because it doesn't break. They literally sit there and they just test multiple pieces of okra. You can leave the stems on. They're relatively tender, but what we like to do without exposing the seed cage is we like to just take the top little cap off. When okra's in season, it really just needs good olive oil. We use domestic Arbequina olive oil and sea salt. You can use any grill you want, electric or charcoal. We love cooking over embers if we can. Key is to get it very hot because we want to cook this fast, and we want to use basically a dry heat technique. So I like to pull these off while they're bright green. Now we're gonna make the blue cheese vinaigrette. We're gonna start by making a little mayonnaise. So we just do egg yolks. We love sherry vinegar, a little Dijon. I wanna taste the olive oil in this situation. So we're gonna use, as I mentioned, our domestic Arbequina olive oil. You can use any blue cheese that you like. I chose a gorgonzola because it's got really nice lactic tang, it's creamy. We also get this great buttermilk from Happy Cow Creamery. You can use a blender for this process, but I really enjoy the texture of those tender curds of this creamy gorgonzola. And once you have your buttermilk and your gorgonzola mix, we're just gonna add a little bit of mayonnaise. Squeeze a lemon. We'll do a pinch of salt. And that's it. We're gonna do sea salt, lots of benne seed, and then we're gonna finish with some summer dill. My name is Jason Stanhope. We're at Fig Restaurant in the kitchen, grilling summer okra with benne seed, blue cheese dressing, lots of dill, and a nice squeeze of lemon. Pretty good.